Okay, for 461, A, they want us to solve. So, right, it's y equals negative 2x plus 5 and 2y plus 4x equals 10. I'm going to say that since this top one is solved for y, that I'm going to substitute that in for y right there. I think that's going to be the most straightforward. So the bottom equation becomes 2 times y, which is negative 2x plus 5, plus 4x equals 10. So I distribute, right? I get negative 4x plus 10 plus 4x equals 10. Okay, common or like terms, negative 4x and 4x become 0. So I get 10 equals 10. And I say, when does 10 equal 10? 10 equals 10 all the time. So for A, we would write infinitely many solutions, right? Not all real numbers, infinitely many solutions. And then graphing on the two lines, I'm not going to graph these, but we could quickly graph, right? X, y, negative 2x plus 5, so it intersects. Let's say this is 5, and it has a slope of 2 down to a 1. So it's going to look something like this, right? There's the first one. And then the second one, right, the second equation, if I solved it, let's solve it. Let's just come down here and solve it. So I get 2y equals negative 4x plus 10, y equals negative 2x plus 5. Y equals negative 2x plus 5. So that's the same line, right? So it's going to be drawn over each other. Whoops. Right? So there's the graph. And what happened is that the two lines are the same line and they're over top each other. And then C says, explain how the graph explains your answer in part A. And the reason is that any of the points on this line, any x and y points on this line, which there are infinitely many of, are solutions. So we say there's infinitely many solutions. We do not say all real numbers are all solutions because, for instance, this point is not a solution. This point is not a solution. This point is not a solution. Only points on the line, and there are an infinite number of those points.